Hi everyone, let's get ready to start some Heggerty exercises. We're going to start with rhyming. I'll say 3 words and you repeat the 2 that rhyme. Here we go. Cab, tab, fib. Get, bet, hit. Did, hid, nod. Hit, sit, hot. Cut, butt, hat. Ham, jam, home. Neck, deck, pick. Hop, top, cup. Log, jog, jug. Fun, sun, ran. Good job. All right, now we're going to listen for beginning sounds. I'll say 2 words, you repeat the 2 words, and then we'll say the beginning sound together. Beg, back. B. Did, done. D. Fun, fat. F. Good, go. G. High, heat. Job, gym. J. Kept, keep. K. Lion, laugh. L. Men, mice. M. Nice, nest. N. Good job. All right, now we're going to blend syllables. So I will clap out the parts of the word. You repeat them, and then we'll blend them together. Here we go. Useful. Useful. Foolish. Foolish. Sadness. Sadness. Slowest. Slowest. Painless. Painless. Dirty. Dirty. Gladly. Gladly. Dislike. Dislike. Oops, sorry, I wasn't even clapping. Okay. Retell. Retell. Unlock. Unlock. Good job. Now we're going to listen for ending sounds. So I'm going to say 2 words. You're going to repeat the 2 words, and then we will say the sound of the ending sound of the words together. So if I were to say tub, fib, you would repeat the 2 words, and then we would say b, because that is the ending sound for both words. Here we go. Ride, sad. D. Cuff, if. F. Bug, tag. G. Will, sell. L. Take, talk. K. Huge, age. J. Time, game. M. Run, can. N. Hope, top. P. Good. Let's segment syllables now. So I will say the word, you repeat the word, and then we'll clap out the syllables together. Here we go. The word is useful. Useful. The word is foolish, foolish. The word is sadness, sadness. The word is slowest, slowest. The word is painless, painless. The word is dirty, dirty. The word is gladly, gladly. The word is dislike, dislike. The word is retell, retell. The word is unlock, unlock. Nice. Okay, now we're going to substitute syllables. So I will give you a 2-syllable word and you will repeat it. Then we will change the beginning syllable to something else to make a new word. The word is chunky. Change chunk to speed. Speedy. The word is speedy. Change speed to mud. Muddy. The word is muddy. Change mud to fun. Funny. The word is funny. Change fun to crab. Crabby. The word is crabby. Change crab to chunk. Chunky. Good. Now we're going to add a syllable. So we'll start with a word and we'll add a second syllable to it. So 1-syllable word, add a second syllable to it to make a new word. The word is dirt. Add E to the end. Dirty. The word is spook. Add E to the end. Spooky. The word is cloud. Add E to the end. Cloudy. The word is snow. Add E to the end. Snowy. The word is rain. Add E to the end. Rainy. Okay, our last one exercise that has syllables in it is that we are going to delete the second syllable. So I will give you a 2-syllable word. You'll repeat it, and then we'll remove the last syllable to see what we're left with. The word is painful. Without full, the word is pain. The word is helpful. Without full, the word is help. The word is useful. Without full, the word is use. The word is hopeful. Without full, the word is hope. The word is thankful. Without full, the word is thank. Good. Last exercise, counting words in spoken sentences. Do you like to color? That's 5. I like to color. 4. My teacher is very nice. 5. I really love my class. 5 again. We had fun at recess. 5 again. Can you sleep at my house? 6. Lunch is a fun time. And 5 again. Great job today, friends. See you next time.